How to transfer your money from bank account to your PayPal. If you want more tutorials like this, click that subscribe button and that bell icon so you'll be updated in this channel. So first we are here on our PayPal account as we are logged in, and we are right now on the dashboard, and as you can see, we are going to go to the wallet section. So in the wallet section here, you are going to link a card or link a bank for this to work. So when you link a bank, just put in your credentials, and you can also edit your name, and then just link your bank. So let's say you have linked a bank and we are here on your wallet. You can see here the send payments button, and you can also see it here in the dashboard at home, the transfer funds. So let's say you have a balance here for this to work. So just click on the transfer funds if you have a balance, so that you would be getting the funds. So you would be getting a prompt just like this one, and click on the add money to your balance that is going to your bank account, or from your bank account to your PayPal rather. So that is the tutorial for today. I hope this helps you, and see you on the next video.